Have you always wanted to know which muscle on men is most attractive to women? Then you're in luck, because that's exactly what we're going to tell you in this video. So watch it all the way to the end and find out which muscle you should focus on in the gym to make you even more popular with the girls. Whether it's strong arms, broad shoulders, or a well-toned chest, there are many muscles on the male body that women find attractive. According to some scientific studies, however, there is one muscle group in particular that is even more attractive to women than all the others. Of course, it's the abdominal muscles. This was one of the findings of a study at the University of Texas in Austin, for which more than 500 women of different ages were surveyed. The abdominal muscles clearly won here. What is perhaps also interesting is that women find obliques even slightly more attractive than the main abdominal muscles. According to the scientist interpretation, this has first and foremost to do with the fact that it is even more difficult to build up visible obliques than it is for the center abdominal muscles. And that's not the only study that came to the conclusion, because in a study by Western Illinois University, women's washboard abs were also named the most attractive muscle. But is this purely for aesthetic reasons? Sure, abs are nice to look at, but the attention to abs for women also has other reasons. Namely, visible abdominal muscles are only possible when a man has a low body fat percentage. And a low body fat percentage in turn conveys an athletic, healthy lifestyle, and above all, that a man has above average testosterone. Because the fatter a man is, the less testosterone he also has, which in turn means that men with less body fat, and thus a six-pack, are simply more masculine. The good thing about it, visible abs can be achieved by any man with correct training and a fitness-oriented diet. While for visible abs, you simply need to have a low body fat percentage, and you can therefore also be a stick. A six-pack naturally looks better the more muscular you are. Of course, you should train your whole body, and not just your abs. Because while abs are the most attractive, you can also make a good impression on the opposite sex with other muscles. You should also bear in mind that abs are the most attractive for women on average, but there are of course individual